Green Camp has many exciting offerings for kids and families coming to Bali. We have a broad range of thematic camp experiences, including summer camps, school group camps to accommodate your regular school breaks, kids' day and overnight camps, and we offer our very popular family camps so your entire family can enjoy the Green Camp experience. All of our activities are designed around rich themes, exploring the ecosystem and culture of Bali through nature-based learning. Like Green School, Green Camp designs its programs around themes like bamboo building, permaculture design, and Bali adventure camps focusing on survival skills and exploration. You can connect to the big ideas of sustainability, personal growth, and leadership while making new friends and deepening relationships within your school group or family. At Green Camp, you can truly immerse yourself in the island of the gods while gaining skills and experiences and making memories that last a lifetime.